Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add text over a blurred background. Alright, so let's jump right in the video. Select your video, your background. I'll use this image, and then select the image with the cursor over the image, and then let's go to the Fusion panel or page. And here what we have to do is first, because this goes like in the sequence, like this is the first one, we're gonna start first with the blur. This is the blur. It's gonna be the blur first, and then next text. This is the last. Okay, we have the input and output. Starts with this, and then this is the end right here. Start, this is start, and this is end. Alright, so this is the background, the blur, and this is the text. So what we have to do here is to grab the blur first. Blur. Okay, now we have the blur. We can increase blur size, and after blur we have to add text. Okay, and now here we write the text. Now what we can do here is to drag like this, because we need the merge. And here, now if you want to add some shadow, you can select text and then here write shadow. Select shadow and add. And now can increase the shadow. We can go to text, increase size. Very simple. As I said, that's the best way to learn Fusion. This is the start and this is the end. And if you were to put the background or the blur here, the text would be covered by the blur. So let's actually test this. Why? Because why not? Why not? That's the question. Okay. And now okay, as you can see now, so make sure you don't make this mistake. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Make sure you subscribe as well for more tutorials. Thank you and take care.